Do you eat lemons? Lemons are a vibrant and refreshing fruit that are not only delicious, but also packed with a plethora of health benefits and nutritional value. From boosting the immune system to aiding in digestion, lemons are truly a superfood that should be a staple in anyone's diet. In this article, we will delve into some amazing health benefits and nutritional facts of lemons. 1. High in vitamin C. Lemons are known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for boosting the immune system and fighting off infections. 2. Aid in digestion. Lemons are also rich in fiber, which is important for digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. 3. Alkalizing properties. Despite being acidic in nature, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized. This can help balance the body's pH levels and reduce acidity, which is important for overall health and wellness. In addition to these health benefits, lemons are also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a great addition to any weight loss or healthy eating plan. They are versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, such as adding them to water, salads, marinades, and dressings. When purchasing lemons, be sure to choose ones that are firm, smooth-skinned, and heavy for their size, as these tend to be the juiciest and most flavorful. Lemons are a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits that can support overall well-being. From their high vitamin C content to their digestive and alkalizing properties, lemons are truly a superfood that can enhance your health in countless ways. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some lemons and start reaping the amazing benefits they have to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you for watching.